Hello everyone, my name is Salama. Today me and my group will talk about Tyson Foods. Tyson Foods was founded in 1935 by John W. Tyson. Today is one of the largest meat processors in the world. The company is headquartered in Arkansas and employ about 138,000 people. In 2035, it granted 53.5 billion in revenue. Tyson owned brands like Jimmy Dean and Hellshire Farm. Plus, their strategy is focused on global expansions, brand building, and innovations. Now, if we talk about the history of Tyson Foods, we should know that they are started as a small poultry business. Over the years, it's expanded through the occasions and innovations. Plus, nowadays they are a global leader in meat processing. The company constantly invents in technology to improve the quality. Since 2000, Tyson Foods has donated millions to non-profits, including 8 million in 2007. In the same year, it established the Discovery Center as a factory focused on developing new products and packaging. The company also employs about 300 people in research and development to drive innovations. Despite the success, Tyson Foods has faced many issues. It has been criticized for environmental damage, animal welfare issues, and worker safety concerns. During the COVID-19, the company was also accused of failing to protect the employee properly. Now my colleague Wafa will continue.
The study case explores how Tyson Foods has chosen to incorporate robots into its operation for various different reasons that we will discuss. We will study the reason behind this shift and whether or not it was a good idea. The decision will be evaluated from the perspective of human employees and its impact on them. In the span of 5 years, Tyson Foods invested $215 million into the development of robots and implementation of automation. It opened a facility called the Tyson Manufacturing Automation Center (TMAC for short) to bolster its effort to develop novel manufacturing solutions for its meat processing plants. Tyson has also collaborated with suppliers and IT experts to enhance the safety of employees, quality of food, and efficiency of operation. TMAC contains various areas like a lab for the development of vision technology, another lab to carry out simulations, and classrooms for training employees. Not only does this provide Tyson Foods with a competitive edge, it also sets them on the path to continuous lifelong improvement. COVID-19 took a heavy toll on various industries, with food processing being one of the industries that suffered the most. There was a lot of pressure on requirement at Tyson Foods, and the supply chain collapsed entirely. It did not help that there was an outbreak at a Tyson food factory in Waterloo, leading to 2,800 employees feeling sick. Some of the employees alleged that Tyson Foods failed to implement social distancing. After this disaster, Tyson Foods pledged over $1 billion to boost automation in its factories. There are several reasons why Tyson Foods decided to speed up the automation of its meat processing plants. There were significant shortages in both skilled labor and quality meat. Apart from that, this kind of work is unsafe, and Tyson Foods wanted to upskill its employees and enhance the safety of its food items. Finally, Tyson Foods want to increase productivity. One way of doing that was to automate non-value added tasks like stacking boxes and leave value added tasks for human employees to do. My colleague Yara, she will complete.
everyone. Today I will be discussing the integration of robots in meat processing plants as automation technology advances. Many companies are exploring how to effectively incorporate robots into their operations. This presentation will cover the challenges faced during this transition, the essential skills required for employees to work alongside robots, and the strategic decisions management must make to ensure a successful collaboration. Let's dive into how robots can enhance efficiency while supporting the human workforce in the meat processing industry. So, starting from slide number 9, I'll be answering the case study question number 1. Is it impossible for robots to entirely replace human in meat cutting and packing? So the answer is humans have fine motor skills that robots lack, and the task requires tactile feedback beyond visual processing. So the main reason why robots cannot entirely replace humans in meat cutting and packing is that humans possess fine motor skills that robots lack. Slide number 10. Replacing human workers with robots may be financially difficult. So, financially difficulty replacing human worker with robots can be expensive. In maintenance, robots require ongoing maintenance, adding to the cost. Legislation, so regulations may restrict the adoption of new technologies in the industry. Despite the challenges, many European meat processing plants have incorporated automation. However, this automation has not led to the complete replacement of human. Instead, robots often work alongside human workers, assisting with strenuous tasks. The collaboration between humans and robots aims to improve efficiency and reduce the burden on the human workforce. Number 11. For employees to collaborate with robots in the meat processing plants, they must have several key skills. So, to collaborate effectively with the robots in meat processing plants, employees need several key skills. Crucially, all personnel must have received training on robot operation and procedure. This training should cover how the robots function and what action to take if problems arise. Furthermore, employees must be able to monitor the robots, perform basic maintenance, and operate them safely according to established guidelines. These skills are essential for safe and efficient collaboration between human and robots in the workplace. Employees need training on robot operation malfunction procedures. Malfunction procedures. This training should cover how the robots function and what actions to take if problem arise. Furthermore, employees must be able to monitor the robots, perform basic maintenance, and operate them safely according to established guidelines. Now, moving forward to slide number 12. Question is saying employees should have a comprehensive understanding of the robot's task to utilize their capabilities to the fullest. The case study highlights that robots are not intended to replace human workers but to complement their work. Therefore, comprehensive training is crucial for all employees to fully utilize the robots. In short, successful robot integration requires a two-pronged approach. Through employee training at all levels and strategic task automation planning by managers. This ensures that the robots enhance rather than replace human contribution to the meat processing plant operation. Now the mic will be given to Anna. She shall complete the next slide.
There are several improvements to core training and development that can be implemented to ensure Tyson Foods is one of the best companies to work in. Tyson Foods offer training based on skills. This can include the improvement of soft skills such as communication, leadership, teamwork, active listening, and empathy, to name a few. Tyson Foods should reward employees' effort to honor the employees' achievements, even the smallest ones. Tyson Foods must focus on DEI in the workplace, which means promoting a diverse, equitable, and inclusive environment. It should train its employees to be aware of other cultures,
and to avoid any biases toward others. Tyson Foods should ask its employees to provide feedback regarding the training they have received so that enhancements can be made to better tailor training programs. Tyson Foods should invest in initiatives and training that promote employee welfare and food safety and that comply with international standards. It should also have a counselor present in each plant to provide mental health support to the employees. Tyson Foods should also invest in training and programs that develop in leaders so that they can effectively lead employees, so the employees may be promoted to leadership positions in the future. Tyson Foods cares about their employees' improvements and development. They create a thorough onboarding program that highlights its vision, mission, values, and what employees can expect from their new job. And they use the buddy system to help new employees quickly become more comfortable in a new environment. Tyson Foods promote lifelong learning in the workplace by making sure training is available whenever employees require it. It should also encourage employees to foster a mindset where they constantly want to improve themselves and their skills and to take advantage of whatever new opportunity comes their way.